Okay, this is a staff instructional video on how to pour dental models. So we've got some alginate impressions here and they come out wrapped like this, a little bit of moisture in there to stop them from drying out until we get around to pour them. And we've got a Maloney Dental form here which is filled out with the patient's name and what we need to do, and that's put here on the tile, and along with that we just write down the name. Just there. Okay, so let's undo the impressions, and alginate impressions have been taken, so we just unwrap those, and I'll use this towel, fold it over like so, and that's basically my form work. Straighten it up on there, get the next impression out as well. Now I do the same thing for this, and we're pouring a lower model, so we'll need another one of these, and this will be to block out the tongue space. So just crumple it up like that loosely. Okay, so next thing we do is trim the alginate. So we just trim the heel of the alginate just here and there, pop that in the bin. This one is the same. We've got two alginates here, no upper for this one, so it's just the lower, two lowers we've got for him. Put that away. So if we've got two lowers, we're going to need another tongue space obturator or block out, and there we have it. Alright, check the impressions. Too much water in there, so just flick that water out. Okay, next thing we do is we come over here. Usually use Yellowstone for these procedures, but I've run out of Yellowstone, so we're just using some Fuji rock. We're waiting for Yellowstone. So for two models, you probably need one scoop like that, a level scoop, and just a little bit more, which should be enough for two models. Always put the lid back on the stone so it doesn't get moisture contaminated from atmospheric moisture. Okay, so let's turn the tap on very slowly for stone, because the water powder ratio is pretty low. So you just mix it in until you start being able to mix it. Take it away. There's probably enough water there now. Give it a good mix. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowls to get any powder or stone mixture that's against the walls there. Probably a touch more water. So that looks pretty good for stone. And now give it a couple of taps and watch the bubbles come to the top. The bubbles coming to the top. Then turn the model vibrator on and do the same. Watch the bubbles coming to the top. So just get the bubbles out of the mixture. Okay. This thing should be covering the entire unit. Alright, so we'll grab the impressions now. Take a little bit of this, just introduce it on the side. Watch it flow in slowly, don't let it flow too fast into the teeth. You've got to watch that stone as it flows in to make sure you don't incorporate any air bubbles in the occlusal surface. And just add some more stone there. Watch it flow around. So basically now it's filled the tooth spaces up to the gingival level. So we bring it over here and we put the block out for the tongue space, like so. And we grab one of these clips, which most of them have been thrown out by the look of it, Jacinta. And we put the formwork around like so. and clip it like so. Have a close look at that Jacinta, how that looks. Okay, now we just bring the stone over and we flow it in. Again, watch it flow forward. It's important that you watch what you're doing, that you watch that stone flow into the correct spaces. Okay, so when we're making a Essex retainer, we don't put a big base, quite a thin base, so that it doesn't we don't have much trimming to do. And that's basically it. That's ready to go. We'll let that set. We'll take it out later.